Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of LVM Aura Cologne for Men. So this is basically a perfume that has got really popular on social media recently, and a lot of people are talking about it. So now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind all those fancy ads. As you can see, this product is also available on Amazon, and it has a pretty decent rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. But a little bit concerning thing is it is only based on 12 reviews, which means that not a lot of people have bought this. So this is a concerning thing. And the way they are advertising their product is like this is a formula that attracts maximum people. So as you can see, they have also enlisted few of the ingredients that are something that naturally a human will attract. But once I tried searching for the videos that are available about this product, I got to know most of their videos that they are claiming that few people are actually smelling. The person who has actually applied this fragrance are AI generated, and the people in those videos can actually visually seem AI generated. So I tried searching for the reviews on some other platform like malware tips, and I got to know, is LVM Aura actually worth your money, or is it just another cleverly marketed online scam? So the answer was simple, that it is pretty much a scam at the attraction amplifier that they allegedly enhances your aura and social presence is all just the fake promises and just a scam thing. So in conclusion, I would say that this product is just another overhyped product, and you should avoid purchasing this because it is pretty much a scam. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.